Hello. Today we are talking about easy way to produce Cremino. I saw on social media many people are talking about to produce Cremino. Pair up parblue splitino with albino red eye. But this pair gives you 4 to 5 types offspring. So very less chances to get Cremino. So it's better to produce more reliable and more chances for Cremino. For better result, pair up Decino with albino red eye. The offspring from this pair: turquoise Decino, turquoise Cremino. Only 2 birds produced from this pair. Each bird of 50% chances in offsprings. Mostly people's pairing Cremino with albino red eye. But this pairing is too expensive for new fancier. Let's discuss on chart. We will also discuss feasibility for this pair. First we will discuss pairing with prices. These prices are depend on your country. We are talking about Asian country, where Cremino pair with albino red eye approximately $400. The second pair is Decino with albino red eye. This pair price is approx $300. The last pairing is parblue splitino with albino red eye. This pair is approx $200. When you pair up Cremino with albino red eye, it gives you 100% Cremino in offspring. When you pair up Decino with albino red eye, it gives you 50% Cremino in offspring. But when you pair up parblue splitino with albino red eye, it gives you 20% Cremino in offspring. So from our point of view, we recommend Decino with albino red eye pair. So if you're doing for business point of view, take 4 pairs of Decino with albino red eye. What comes from offspring? We will take only 3 chicks from each clutch. 2 pieces Decino. 1 piece Cremino. Each Decino price is $250. But we will take less because we are taking future breeding. We are assuming each price is $200. And each Cremino price is $350. So we will take $300. So from each clutch we are expecting $700. Now we will planning for 3 clutches. As you seen, we already make 1 clutch price is $700. Let's short it. We will multiply 700 multiplied by 3. Because we are taking 3 clutches from each pair. The all 3 clutches price is $2,100. So from each pair you are making $2,100. In start we take 4 pairs, so multiply 2,100 from 4. The 4 pairs of Decino with Albino Red Eye is making $8,400 in season. So it's really good amount from 4 pairs. But it depends on your breeding progress. How good you're in breeding, maybe these 4 pairs will give you less results. Or maybe they gives you more than expect. So always breed with proper breeding instruction. I hope you like our video. Tell us down in comment section. Thank you.